Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into your Apple ID and your device is updated. This prevents errors during purchase. Once done, open Settings and tap your name, then Icloud. Make sure you have a valid payment method or Apple ID balance ready so the upgrade completes without interruption. Tap Manage Storage or Upgrade to view plan options. You'll see available tiers and prices. Pick one to begin the upgrade flow, and follow on screen prompts to confirm purchase. Now you choose the plan that fits your needs, compare 50 GB, 200 GB, and 2 TB, and decide whether family sharing makes sense. Tap the desired plan, then verify or add your payment method. Apple will show the monthly or yearly charge so you know the exact cost. Confirm the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. After confirmation, make sure iCloud backup, photos, and drive sync settings are enabled, so your device immediately begins using the expanded storage. To finish, return to iCloud storage in settings to confirm the new capacity is active and that backups or syncs are running. If the new storage doesn't show right away, restart your device and check again. Often a reboot forces the account to refresh. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, but only after ensuring you know your password. And if charges or plan changes still aren't reflected within 24 hours, contact Apple support for billing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.